Hey everyone, very warm welcome to tutorial number 3 on BotX, the everything bot. In this tutorial I'm going to be talking you through how you can fund your wallet and then how we can buy a token right here from within the bot. Before I get into that, as always, I must say to you, I'm not a financial investment advisor. I'm here to bring you education information on how these bots work. I also don't promote the purchase of any of these bot tokens, such as the BotX token. Like I say, this is just mechanics on how these work and whether it'll actually be advantageous for you to do so. There's also the aspect that every time we are sharing our private key into one of these bots, we're opening ourselves to more risk. You have to be comfortable with that amount of risk. Okay, so if you haven't got the risk appetite to be sharing private key with these wallets in these bots, please do not use them. If you're happy with that, then just use funds that you are not overexposing yourselves with. Right, that's out of the way. What are we going to do? Same thing as what we normally do with these tutorials. First thing we're going to do is we're just going to start the bot. We're going to come down to Sniper because that will open us up with our 3 wallets that we have. And you can see here, wallet 1 is funded. Wallet 2 has a very, very small balance. So we are going to actually put some funds from wallet number 1 into wallet number 2. And we're going to do that in our MetaMask. So we're going to fund wallet number 2 with a transaction, a send transaction from our MetaMask. I'm clicking onto there, the C294 wallet. I'm coming down, I'm going up to my MetaMask, clicking onto the Bullring bot account, and I'm going to be sending over 0.06 to the C2 wallet. So I'm going to click on and paste the wallet. You can see here C294 is in there. I'm going to be putting in the 0.06 Ether that I wish to send across, and then I am going to be sending that into the wallet. So simple transaction. It's going to tell me how much that is in gas. So around about just over $1. We're going to confirm that. In the first two tutorials, I showed you obviously how to import into MetaMask and into the bot itself. So if you haven't already watched those, go back and watch those if you're a little confused of how I've actually got these wallets into my my MetaMask here. Now that that's done and it's confirmed, let's move back down to the bot. We're just going to click onto Sniper again because it'll open up those 3 wallets, and you can see the 0.06 has now arrived in wallet number 2. That's it, simple. So we've integrated the wallet into both locations. Now we have funded the wallet. So the next thing that we want to do now is we go, oh, okay, we want to buy a token. So I'm going to find a token that I'm going to buy a small amount of to show you how fast this is. I do think that these bots can disrupt the decentralized exchanges in so much as there's quite a lot of clicks involved with a decentralized exchange, such as approving the transaction, setting the limits, actually swapping, and then sometimes changing the gas and all these sorts of things. Well, this will simplify it for you, and it will just be a couple of click process. So it's really, really easy to use. First, we need to go over and we need to go to Etherscan and we need to have a look for a token. Now, I'm going to have a look for the Barbie token. Let's see if we can. And here it is. This is the Barbie token we wanted to find, the MID Barbie that's recently launched. Again, this is not financial advice or any kind of investment advice, just a token that I'm using as an example here on the Ethereum blockchain. So we're going to copy the contract address. This is where you find the contract address here on the right hand side. We're copying that and we're coming back to our bot. We have now a list of options available to us. This here, by the way, if you didn't understand the buy side, so we just click onto the buy tokens and then this new menu comes up. So we've got this menu, we've got a private transaction. This will allow you or the transaction to not be detected by the sandwich attacks or the front running bots. The fail guard is going to allow you to see whether this will fail or not. Then we have the option of selecting which wallet we want to use. Now, I am going to select wallet number 1. There's a balance in there. It doesn't really matter. I've transferred some funds into wallet number 2. We can use those later. Or we could do all 3 wallets. Should there be some limitations on the amount of tokens that you can actually buy per wallet on a project that you're interested in, you can actually buy the same amount of tokens across 3 different wallets. Then we have the buy amount. Here you'll see that there are some presets for you, or you can add a custom. If I click onto the custom there, what we would do is we would add, or we would put in the custom amount that we wanted to use. We can't select the amount of tokens. We can only do it from the how much ether we want to spend side. I'm sure that there'll be upgrades on these bots in the future where we can do that, and then enter the token address to buy. So it's asking me to enter the token address automatically. I am going to paste that contract address that we've just grabbed from Etherscan, and we are going to hit send or enter. This will then hopefully allow us to buy 0.025 ethers worth of the MID Barbie token straight directly from within this bot. See if it does it for us. Here we go. We can now see that there's a pending transaction that we can go and view on Etherscan, and it's saying transaction successful. So if we click onto this and we open the link, you will see that we have now got a successful transaction for Barbie tokens. We've bought 351,853 of these Barbie tokens, and they have come into our 95C4 wallet. If we were to go up to add that contract address into our MetaMask, so if we come up to our MetaMask and we go onto the 95C4 wallet and we go onto tokens, and then we import tokens, custom token, the contract address here, the symbol is MID18, add custom token. You can now see this updated balance that we have in this wallet. Okay, so this wallet now has this balance, and we can see that we've added to it in this recent transaction. And that, my friends, is how simple it is when you are using one of these bots to make a buy on a token. It is a lot easier than messing around with Uniswap, for example, where we've got multiple different buttons we're having to press. We're approving transactions, we're doing the swaps, we're looking at the gas, we're looking at the amount, the default amount that we actually want to swap, or within our MetaMask. Well, there's so many different variables for a new person. This one here for me is extremely simple. So yeah, for me, it absolutely works, and it takes a lot of friction out. Let me know in the comments what you think about this video, but also what you think about buying tokens from within these bots. Do you think it's a good idea? Do you think it's risky? I'm excited to hear your comments. So please put those there. As always, please subscribe if you enjoy this content, give us a like, and I look forward to joining you in future bot tutorials. Take care, join you very soon.